Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel that is AirTech. In this video, we are going to discuss whether TCS management just lied about the layoffs, the amount of layoffs that they are doing in their company, whether government will take action on them, and is AI the only reason for this to happen. We will discuss everything in detail in our today's video. But before moving forward, I have a request for all of you guys that please subscribe to our YouTube channel because we provide all the latest IT updates to all of you guys about the IT sector and the IT industry. Now you might have already heard about that the IT employees union, okay, that is Unite, is protesting against mass layoffs at TCS. TCS recently mentioned that they are going to fire around 12,000 employees, that is 2% of their workforce, which is scary for a lot of employees because this is done under the aim of restructuring or the aim of removing people who are redundant and who are not accepting or not able to accept the change with the AI, right? But now, one more important thing that the Union of IT and ITES employees, that is Unite, is mentioning is that TCS has a revenue of 2.55 lakh crore and an operating margin, okay, profit margin of 20 around 25% as well, and they're giving 45,588 crore as dividend, and still they're laying off around 12,000 people, right? Now you might have heard about a lot of these things, like the kind of layoffs that are happening. There are a lot of people who are stuck in their current companies because they are not getting high paying jobs. They're not able to get selected, their resume is not getting shortlisted even if they're trying to get into any company. So in this case, what you can do, okay, so here is something for all of you guys. You can start preparing for your job switch with the help of Build Your Resume. With the help of Build Your Resume, you can build professionally designed infographic CV or resume for yourself. What you have to do is you have to simply click on Enroll Now, and you will be able to create a fantastic resume that might get you selected in top companies where you can get high salaries. Here are some of the approved templates which you can choose from. Okay, you can go and check out the latest sample resumes as well, or you can directly enroll also. What are the benefits that you will be getting from Build Your Resume are as follows, that is customized CV for all job profiles, ATS friendly resume, which is the most important whenever you are going and applying to certain website for different job roles. You will also get a free cover letter and high converting designs to choose from. You can talk directly to the designer also, and lifetime free edits to your resume also. So if you want to upgrade your resume, simply click on the link that is provided in the description box and you can get yourself upskilled with the top notch resume. So TCS is in the process of laying off the staff at senior and managerial roles, right? And that is the reason this protest was happening in Chennai particularly. There are different areas, different cities also in which this protest is happening. There are other IT associations which are supporting Unite for the action against the companies to be taken, right? Now, important thing is that there will be freshers which will be hired and they will be replacing the people who will be laid off, that is the senior and managerial folks, right? So these people will be laid off and they will be hiring freshers at 80 to 85% lesser pay. And since everyone knows that a lot of people, engineering graduates or even normal graduates, they are not having a lot of jobs, so they will start working at these companies at the 80 to 85% of the lower pay also. The next important thing is that at the end, nearly 30,000 to 40,000 staff of the IT companies might be lost. Okay, so here we are looking at the layoffs which is scheduled, okay, which is planned around 12,000, which will be actually crossing 30 to 40,000 employees as well. Yes, you heard it right. And this is very scary for the IT employees. Now you might be thinking whether AI is the only reason for all of these. So let me tell you guys, yes, there is one more reason, that is the GCCs, that is Global Capability Centers, which are again responsible for companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro firing their mid-level or senior level or even junior level employees. What is happening? I will give you an example. You consider Commonwealth Bank of basically this is a bank which is one of the prominent clients of TCS. Okay, this bank was kind of having around 2,500 employees. Okay, people who were assigned to that particular project. Okay, which is a BFSI domain project. Now that count has been reduced to 500 only. Why? Because of the GCC that Commonwealth Bank has started in India. So they are hiring more and more people. They, either it can be direct transfer from the current company, that is TCS, to the new GCC, or they are hiring other people from other companies under the BFSI domain. So what is happening is that the people who are joining these GCCs, they are getting salary hike as well, On top of that, they are also getting a good opportunity, a good place to work, which will be the product based company, right? So this is the reason why there are layoffs in the companies like TCS, Infosys, and Wipro, and other IT based companies also. So if you want us to make a dedicated video on what exactly is happening with GCCs, how you can get into GCCs, and how you can get a higher salary band, okay, do let us know in the comment section. We will happily create the entire video with all the detailed case study. Also, do check out the resume building platform that we have shared. The link will be in the description box. You can go and create your own resume and get hired at top companies. Thank you for watching this entire video, guys. Hope you all have a great day.